My dear students, I am going to explain you number of common tangents drawn to two circles. So the first is when two circles are touching each other internally at one point. So from the point of contact, only one common tangent can be drawn. Yeah, and that will be called common tangent for both the circle. Now, second case is that when two circles are touching each other externally but at only one point. In that case, three common tangents can be drawn. One will be through the point of contact where they are touching each other. So that will be one common tangent, and two common tangents will be parallel to each other which are touching both these circles. So it happened three. In this case, when two circles are touching externally at one point only, then three common tangents can be drawn. And third is when two circles are touching each other, intersecting each other at two distinct points. In that case, only two common tangents can be drawn, and those two will be parallel to each other. That means they will be parallel. Okay, and now fourth is two circles are separate. They are not touching each other. They are completely apart from each other. In that case, number of tangents drawn will be 4. Two will be parallel to each other, which are touching both of them, and two will be transversally drawn, and they will touch both the circles. So, and these two transversally intersecting tangents will intersect each other, and so in this way 4 common tangents will be drawn. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.